Yeah. Or should we just play until Colton gets back and then disable the stuff that doesn't really work?
Actually, I don't think I will. What the Sigma?
No.
What the Sigma?
Actually, yeah.
What the Sigma?
Don't you fucking no! Don't do that! No, stop!
How do I look at myself?
Just emote.
Hold on, my emotes are in first person. Oh. What the?
I promise I didn't download that. It was in the back.
Hello?
Hello, Colton.
Hello, I saw. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's that Momo Aritaki.
What? Did you just...
Am I?
I got Dairy Queen.
It's awesome.
Just meet me at the Opsa. Whoa, no, what the fuck? Why is that shit drippy, bro? What is that? What the fuck? It's just like cranberry sauce all over my cheesecake. Real cheesecake slushy, flush, whatever. Okay. My Spotify wasn't working, so I had to listen to Kai's playlist and stuff. He had 2 Bruno Mars songs, and then the rest were like childhood hymns, like Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round.
I looked outside. Something very dangerous outside.
Oh, hey, that was the thing I was talking about.
I already had it, apparently.
Oh, that's creepy.
Please.
Why are you leading him towards us?
I'm not.
They
They're
like
lost.
they went gun ho on us. Does that thing actually attack us? Hello?
Colton, it's friendly. It doesn't attack us.
I don't trust you. I'm not going up to it.
All right, I'll go up to it right now.
Redwood
Hey,
Giant?
buddy. Look, he's still in your voice, Colton.
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, that damages. Oh, shit. Stay away. Damn bees. Stay away, you damn bees! Hello? Just meet me at the opsa. Da, 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 da. Why is this a thing? I ain't been there. Call me baby if you think you love me. Oh, what the fuck? Ah! Fucking Roomba! Stay away! Ah! What the fuck was that? Ah! Oh my god, dude.
Hey, buddy.
Interesting.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.